Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch-up video. This is a special catch-up video because it is actually New Year's Eve. The first thing I'm going to do is the draw for the £100 voucher, which my friend and channel sponsor, Rob from Xtreme Plasma, kindly donated. So I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if we can find a winner. Right, allow 7932. All you've got to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, and I'll get the voucher to you somehow, or I'll get you in touch with Rob, and you can go from there. The draw didn't go as well as I thought because there's quite a lot of writing. You've got to put the specific comment in the comments box in the video, and people were spelling it different ways. There was actually 400 entries, but the 100 ones that I picked out, that was the most that wrote the same way. So next time we'll just do it like a much smaller comment. Right, I'm going to put some video comment. I'm going to put some video content on. I've been planning to do all kinds this holiday period in the workshop. I've done nothing. I've got the sore throat and the sniffs and I ache like a bastard. It's not nice at all. Anyway, when I first started off with this YouTube channel, it was all about gas turbines and jet engines. Now I found some really old clips of my early attempts at gas turbines, jet engines. I'm going to join them all together and just put these on just to something to watch. once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Like I say, this is New Year's Eve, so tomorrow it's not another day, it's another year. This year for me hasn't been particularly wonderful, but it's been a lot better than it could have been. Things are certainly looking up, and I'm looking forward to next year. I'm still going to bang on about the mental health, mate. I really am, because tonight is it's a test of a lot of people. New Year's Eve when you're by yourself, a lot of people will be by themselves as well. If you know somebody that's just sitting in the house by themselves, give them a ring, phone them up, call and see them, cheer the bastards up. It doesn't take a great lot. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best and happiness and good health especially for next year. Anyway, thanks for watching.